At Egaa wastewater treatment facility in Denmark, new technologies are utilized to produce sustainable energy from wastewater. The treatment processes are continuously being optimized, enabling the plant to produce more energy than it consumes. One of the ways this is attained is through the production of biogas. Sludge is transferred into an anaerobic digestion tank, where the optimal production of biogas is dependent on a constant temperature in the tank. To achieve this, the sludge is circulated through an energy-efficient heat exchanger. A number of LINAK actuators are used to control the valves on the heat exchanger, ensuring the right flow of sludge through the application. The actuators are simple to mount and set up, and they are tested to deliver reliable performance for years. All in all, electric actuator solutions from LINAK are ideal for valve automation in sustainable and modern wastewater treatment plants. LINAK, we improve your life.